video, I'm going to show you how to future-proof your practice so that this incredible culture and legacy that you have to pass the torch on to future generations can be maintained. Dr. Tom here. If you're enjoying these videos, for heaven's sake, subscribe. They come out every week. We'd love to have you added to our list of people that are benefiting from this incredible database of knowledge that we've got. Okay? So again, if you want to pass the torch, and for heaven's sakes, why wouldn't you? You've got so much knowledge and experience embedded within you for all these years. It would be great to pass the torch. I think it's one of the things that's going to help our profession, really do a better job at bringing the young people up to speed so that they can benefit from the wisdom and the culture that you've built in your practice. Okay, so if you've got an existing associate, this whole process is a whole lot easier. But let me just walk you through the general steps. Okay, first step is you got to decide you want to do this, and then step number 2 is you want to decide whether you want to do an outright sale or whether you want to do a slow, gradual transition. I'm a much bigger fan of the slow, gradual transition. Something like, say, a 15 to 20% junior partner buy-in, and then down the road with certain benchmarks hit, they could earn the right to become an equal partner and then eventually buy you out. I find it to be easier on you, the senior doc, emotionally and financially, as well as from a taxation standpoint, and also it allows the young doc to earn the right. But regardless, maybe you want to do an outright sale, you want to get that figured out. That's step number 1. Okay, once you've got that, you would need to know what your business is worth, so you need to get it appraised. Shameless plug, Full Circle, my company's been doing that as of this recording for over 18 years. We've done hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of those. Once you know it, and you know what the percentage buy-in is going to be, ranging anywhere from 15 to 20% as a junior partner, right up through to potentially 100% buyout, now at least you've got the template for what it is. Now, the whole idea here is you're going to bring somebody in your practice, your existing associate, or recruit an associate, so that you can, again, pass the torch. The best person to buy a business is always somebody that already is within the business. It's seamless when you do that. They know the people, they know the culture, they know the team, they know the routine, the systems, and the SOPs. So once you've got your appraisal figured out, you know what your business is worth, you know what your percentage buy-in is, you've got your associate, you want to now bring them up to speed. And again, you can do this in 90 days. It's a bit of an expedited fire hose, but you want to look at what are the character traits, capabilities, and skills that you have that they need to learn in order to round out the rough edges for them, in order to earn the right to buy in and do a great job as a growing partner in the business. Put that mentoring schedule together, put it in as an outcomes assessment, write up the contract, boom. You've just future-proofed your practice, and the probability of passing the torch for the great work you've done all these years is now really clear. If we can be of service to you in helping you do this, I've done this with hundreds of our colleagues, for heaven's sakes, reach out. Let's do a complimentary discovery call, see how much help you need. If I can solve your challenges on that call, boom, consider it my gift to you and your future. If there's some work we need to do, well, we can lay out what that might look like, and we'll go from there. Dr. Tom signing off. Hope you're having a great day.